Welcome to day 4 of 10-day Beatles Guitar, where we're looking at the classic song, Here Comes the Sun. This needs a capo or a capo at the 7th fret to be able to play this correctly and in the key of the original. However, we are going to go for the simplified version of this song. If you want to learn all the full bells and whistles of... If you want to learn all of that, I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. It's on the website tutorial version of this video. In this video, we're going to be going for this with basic open chords appropriate for beginners. D, G, A and A7 with the simple strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down. And we have a solution to, rather than doing the... Rather than doing that bit, we're going to go for... which is a little bit simpler, using open chord variations, but all that picking tutorial and tab for this song, including a free chord sheet, you'll find all down in the description below. Let's dig into the video. The song starts on a D major chord, and the main progression is D for 2 bars, G for 1 bar, A7. And if we do that with down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, that sounds like 2, 3, 4. That gets us to the chorus section. That's basically the verse as well. It's the intro of the song, but it's also the verse. The chorus is where he says, here comes the song, do-do-do-do, and we have D major, here comes the sun, do-do-do-do, G, here comes the sun, that's a D. And this is where we then add this variation, which is a D sus2, but we're going to add the 3rd finger just here at the fret 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 proportionate to the capo, with the thinnest string ringing out at 0, D sus2, open 1st finger, back to the D sus2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and A7, 2 strums. All that section, 2, 3, 4. Little darling, and we're away, okay? And that saves you having to do... which is a little bit harder, but the link to a tutorial for that exact part is down in the description below. From the top of the song, let's go for the playthrough in 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. It feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, the smiles returning to the faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Then D, A7, and then we have this next section, which starts on an easy F major 7 chord. You could play an F bar chord, or anyway you want to play an F chord, but we need to get to a C very quickly. So I recommend this F major 7, which just has 1, 2, 3 fingers, to C major, and then to G major. However you want to play it, this is a great option. Any other G is cool. And then we go D, A7. And this goes on the lyrics. Sun, 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 here it comes. Sun, 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 here it comes. And it goes sun, 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 here it comes. That happens 6 times in total, exactly like that. And then it stays on the A7 chord. Do, 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 do. And we're back to a verse. Let's go from that bridge section. Let's go from that F major 7 chord sheet, as I'm following here, is down below in the description and linked to. Let's go from that F major 7 from the bridge in 1, 2, 3, 4. Sun, 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 here it comes. Sun, 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 here it comes. That's 2. Sun, 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 here it comes. And sun, 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 here it comes. And sun, 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 here it comes. This is the last one. And sun, 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 here it comes. One, little darling, I feel that ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say it's alright. It's alright. And that's our ending. It's that F, C, G, and D major. That's how we can play a simplified version of Here Comes the Sun, one of the most beautiful songs ever. That's the end of today. Remember, there's bonus videos for free on the Andy Guitar website. Links at the top of the description. The video for this one's going to teach you that full riff, along with another bonus video from the Andy Guitar beginners course. But when you're ready, you can move on to the next day of this 10-day Beatles Guitar. As soon as it's uploaded, I will leave a link to it just here, and I will see you in that next video when you're ready. Bye-bye for now.